So as yesterday, the 2001 Trane XP1000 has been replaced with the new Goodman. But I just want to take a video of this again because it's actually running. In cooling mode, that is nice. Nice unit. Oh, there's the suction line. It's cold, sweating. This is out to temperature. 2018, 2.5 ton, 14 seer Trane. And the ream is, well, pretty good condition actually. I'm just glad I took the Trane one last time. So, and then over there, I thought the carrier was running, but well, yeah, both of them are running. This carrier is starting to rattling at first. I don't know why. Fan mode is really hot, so. But yeah, I'm just glad to myself I just got take a video of the Trane one last time. The last time I took the Trane, that was like a few weeks ago when some people requested if I can film some air conditioners, and I filmed the Trane one last time. So, oh, I'm sorry, that wasn't from 2001. That was from 2000. But yeah, and the fan motor's kind of warm. It's got a broad ocean fan motor. So. Trane, I don't know how it died, but it looks like it was just running the whole time. And if you got 14 seer, that's really sweating out. So the Trane is installed. And here's the ream. This is a 3-ton ream, 2005. But yeah, I'm just trying to find some units that are replaced because it's been like a while since I've been in this neighborhood. Cause you know, my fractured toe, and I still gotta wear this for one more week left. So, but yeah, I'll still film more air conditioners, and that carrier just shut off right now. This looks like it needs some cleaning. Well, good condition. So, yeah. Well, and this Goodman sounds like the carrier. It's really quiet. And it almost sounds like the 2005 ream, how it sounds like Copeland scroll. These all have Copeland scrolls. Compressor, some of them has Bristols around these, so yeah. Almost sounds like the carrier, but yeah, I guess and there it goes, turning off. I'm just hoping I'll get this one starting up by catching it starting up, so. And the fan looks like it has good bearings on them. Look at that Copeland scroll compressor is wet, sweating. Look at that. This looks like a good air conditioner, but it's starting to like goodness. This one's tight and doesn't feel like it's about to take off. So this one is in good shape, but I honestly don't know what happens to the Trane. I'll just ask the homeowner, whoever owns this unit, and tell them what happened to the Trane. Trane was about like 18 years old, so yeah. Now the only one that's running is this 2005 old Goodman. Oh, and the carrier started back up again? Oh no, never mind. Not the fan blades were spinning, but yeah. gosh, the suction line's creating a puddle right there. That is freezing right there. This is that's a little hot right there. It's a 2005 3.5 ton. So yeah. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to end this video right now. It's about getting late right now, so I should end this video. I'm glad I got that new unit running, so I'm gonna go see if I can find some more new units that are replaced around here. I mean, these units are dying crazy, but the Trane replaced the 1990s ream, and then now it got replaced. That's pretty weird. So then when we got a Trane XV20i, that would be really quiet. I mean, Lennox is way better, in my opinion, but because Lennox are the most efficient. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.